afternoon, teacher, and Christmas. My name is Sandra Carolina Terbesi. Travel itinerary. Welcome to Chinacota, the very little house in the north of Santander. Chinacota is a small town in the department of North de Santander. It is located has 45 minutes from the city of Cúcuta. Its climate varies between 60 to 25 degrees Celsius. It is a very rich climate. In Sinacota, you can enjoy its climate of the kindness of the people, the gastronomy, and the hotel. Duration of the trip. To travel to Chinacota, the trip will last 4 days and 3 nights, in which the first day will be visit religious temples. The second, the, the second day ecological walks, the third day skiing, and the fourth day glamping. Means of transportation. On this on the threads we can use different means of transportation such as buses, trains, taxis, and mototaxis. Activities to do during these trips can perform different activities such as skating, cycling, driving, and TV and horseback riding. Typical falls. In Chinacota, David, you stay, you can consume chicha, guarapo, grits, beer, and beef sancocho, meat a la llanera, and news. Place to stay. In Chinacota during the trip, you can stay in camps and hotels. Mm, cost. The tour's packets will be worth 500 pesos and inclusions. Thank you very much, teacher and claimers. Bye.